What is going on, everyone? My name is Munir. Welcome to my channel, Hero Trading. Today we are going to talk about Sundial Growers, ticker symbol SNDL, specifically the new positive news that came out and the price action today. But remember, it is not financial advice. So please do your due diligence before you invest in any stock in the stock market. This is solely for your entertainment purposes only. Now, if you like the content of this channel, please do me a favor and subscribe. Smash the subscribe button and have your notifications turned on so you can be receiving videos like this whenever I create them on a daily basis. So I'll be creating videos like this on a daily basis to uh, to help whoever is interested in stuff like that, and help myself as well. So I'm trying to create a community that uh, um, will all become a one community and grow together. So let's with that said, let's dive into the new press release that was um, released today. Let's head to the Sundial Growers website. Again, today Sundial Growers came out with a press release that it made a 22 million strategic investment in Indiva Limited. Now, Indiva Limited, if you don't know, is a Canadian-based company. Now, both companies are Canadian-based companies, correct? So Sundial Growers is not yet um, in the American markets. It is hoping we're hoping that the hope is that when the United States expands, when the United States, hopefully when it legalizes cannabis, um, other cannabis companies are going to try to get into the U.S. markets, and one of those companies. We're speculating that it's going to be Sundial Growers and other, not only Sundial Growers, but a lot of cannabis companies are going to have an eye on the U.S. market to expand their customer base, and that is why cannabis, Sundial Growers is having a lot of um, upward price movement. So what does Indiva produces? So from my research, Indiva manufactures cannabis products ranging from flowers, capsules to their main option, which is a wide variety of edibles. So why is this Indiva edible deal so important for Sundial Growers? Let's take a look at um, the article, the press release again. So, in my opinion, before I jump into the article, in my opinion, I think it's a very important. Um, it's a very important strategic investment for Sundial Growers. Why? Because it's going to help Sundial Growers, SNDL, expand um, on its customer base. It's going to help it, broaden its market. It's going to help it, expose itself into to the edibles market. So it's not only selling one or two type of products. It's going to be able to sell multiple products, which it's which edibles is the edibles market. Um, is part of them. So this is going to bring in more revenue for the company and help in the development of Indiva's products. Now, if we take a look at the press release on the Sundial website, you can see on February 16th, 2021, Sundial Indiva announces 22 million strategic investment, brokered private placement offering of 11 million in common shares. So it's going to be, I believe, two parts: 11 million common shares and 11 million term loan facility. Now, Sundial Growers Inc., a Canadian licensed producer of recreational cannabis, and Indiva Limited, Indiva. Um, Now we can see that Indiva is not uh, uh, listed on Nasdaq. So some people might think that it's listed on Nasdaq. No, but it's actually listed on the Canadian Stock Exchange. So it says that it is a leading Canadian producer of cannabis edibles. So this is the market that um, Sundial is trying to expose itself to by getting into this strategic investments. They're pleased to announce a 22 million strategic investment, the investment into Indiva by Sundial. Now, the investment will be completed in the form of a broker private placement led by ATB Capital Market Inc. of 25 million common shares of Indiva. The common shares at a price of $44 per common share to raise gross proceeds of 11 million and non-revolving term loan facility to Indiva in the principal amount of 11 million. It is anticipated that Sundial will be the sole subscriber in the placement. So this is an important part of the press release. So Sundial is going to be a sole subscriber in the placement, which is a good thing as far as um, investments are concerned. Um, the proceeds to Indiva, net of fees, commissions, and expenses are expected to be approximately 20 million, 20.9 million. That's a huge. That's some good chunk of proceeds from this proceeds and commissions. So the article goes on and says the Sundial is pleased to support the development of Indiva's high quality products. As said Zach George, Chief Executive of Sundial. This transaction broadens our exposure to the rapidly expanding cannabis edibles category. So again, um, the importance of this strategic investment is that, like the article is saying, is that it is going to broaden um, Sundial's exposure to the rapidly expanding cannabis edibles category. The article goes on and says that we're delighted to welcome Sundial as a strategic investor in Indiva, said Neil Marotta, President and Chief Executive Officer of Indiva. The capital from this 22 million investment significantly improves Indiva's balance sheet, expands our working capital, and provides the resources necessary to support strong growth in our business. Um, Indiva will now have the ability to make additional capital investments, primarily into automation, which will drive higher throughput and profitability while ensuring our product quality maintains the best in class that our customers and clients depend upon. Indiva's bolstered financial strength will ensure we can defend our market share position as a top edibles producer in Canada and continue to bring new and innovative cannabis products um, to of age Canadians. Sundial and Indiva intend to complete the investment on or about February 23rd, 2021. So it's supposed to end, the investment is supposed to be completed on February 23rd, subject to certain conditions customary for transactions of this nature, including but not limited to the receipt of all necessary approvals, including the approval of the TSX Venture Exchange. Um, so again, these small catalysts, whenever they come out, um, we're going to see the price of Sundial SNDL move up, just like we saw today. With this um, announcement, the price, we started the day um, with the price going up. However, it did dip some at some point in the day to like $2.02 around that area. But anyways, these small catalysts, anytime they come out, um, this is going to increase the price, move the price of Sundial up. Now, um, with time, we're going to see the price of Sundial Growers go up again. Um, uh, Today, I think we completed the um, Sundial completed its compliance, its 10 consecutive days of compliance for Nasdaq. So it doesn't get delisted from Nasdaq. So as you know, when a company when a company is being uh, has received a compliance notice, what happens is that Nasdaq will delist them if they do not meet a certain condition, and the condition here is that they have to be above $1. They have to be above $1 for 10 consecutive days. And today is the 10th day that Sundial Growers has stayed above $1, which is a very good news. Why is it a very good news? Because all the worry, all the concerns that people are having about or investors are having about Sundial Growers staying below $1 and not meeting that compliance is gone. Now the company, the price the company can focus on other stuff as opposed to focusing on on meeting Nasdaq's compliance. So it's no longer going to be delisted on Nasdaq, and as we can see, the price today, we after hours, my time here, it's 5:45 Pacific Northwest time. I'm in Oregon, so um, after hours, it ended at $2 and 2 cents. It closed. Sundial closed high up at $2.19, as opposed to yesterday when it on Friday when it closed at $2.08. So even though it's sitting at $2.02 after hour, it dipped a little bit. It still closed higher than yesterday when it closed around than Friday when it closed at the I believe $2.08. So we are gradually bouncing back slowly with these catalysts. Now, um, if we take a look at the price action, the pre-market price action, again, again with the news, it moved up to $2.28. That was the pre-market high, I think $2.29, and then it opened at probably the $2.22 area. Then it took a dip, you know, of about 20 cents to $2 and $2 here. Um, Now, right around the 10 a.m. my time here, we started seeing um, some strong volume coming in. And this is all because of the catalyst that we're seeing. So this volume is giving investors more hope to buy and buy um, more of the price. Now, that's why we saw this squeeze up here, and there was a strong wall. I think there was a strong wall right around the $2.20 area. However, when we broke that, it didn't. It went slightly above it, probably 4 cent, and then it started to drop, and then it closed the day at $2.19, which is a pretty good price, given the dip that it dipped. Now, do I see this going down? It may and it may not. Am I worried that it will go below a dollar? At this point, I'm no longer worried that it's going to go to a dollar. Initially, when I bought this stock, it was I bought it around the 50 cent area, and then I added more as it started going up. So I added more at the 70 cent price. I sold when it got to it got above a dollar, and then I bought in at a dollar price, at a dollar, and I took profits as it went up. I'm still holding. However, I missed the Wednesday. I missed to take profit on Wednesday when it did that huge run to $4.87. I'm not bitter about it. No. I'm not worried about it because I believe that this stock, even if it dips to whatever price, it's still going to bounce back. As we saw that this stock still has a lot of upside potential. It has a lot of upside potential. It's not done yet. It's going to come back strongly. And today, it's showing signs of it coming back again. So, which is a good thing. If we take a look at the uh, let's take a look at support and resistance, the price action. We go back. Um, so so we can see. Okay, if we take a look at the 1 year chart, we can see that there is strong support right around this area. That a lot of people are looking at the $1.75. So this is an area, even if it dips, a lot of people are going to be loading around that area because it seems to be a support, and that's why I have this support, um, or even if it dips to the $1.65 cents area, $1.65 is a good place to load. So I'm gonna be waiting as it goes down. I'm gonna be averaging. I'm gonna be buying. I'm gonna be buying, picking up a couple of stocks, shares as it goes down. Um, Now, is there is it possible that it would go down to this spot? This is another support, a dollar and and 30 area, $1.35, I believe. Okay, so like $1.35. Now it's possible, but with this new catalyst coming out, I'm seeing SNDL moving up. And even if it dips, I'm still bullish on this stock. So I'm still holding to the point where it goes above the $4 range. Um, Again, I'm holding this stock for in the long term because I believe that this is going to be um, a long term. This is going to be a long term. This is going to bounce back and and be a good investment for me. Now, all right. So again, I'm not a financial advisor. The content in this video is my opinion only and not financial advice. So please make sure you do your due diligence before you invest in the stock. Remember to hit the subscribe button. If you haven't done so, please do me a favor and hit the subscribe button so you can help the channel grow. Thank you for watching.